We rode from North Goa to explore the real South. We started from North Goa and rode to South Goa on our bikes. The first stop was this amazing restaurant called Beno in South Goa. And then we went to Cabo De Rama Beach, one of the most beautiful hidden beaches in Goa. Right above the beach is Cabo De Rama Fort with insane views. We ended the day at Cavelossim Beach with lunch at a shack and this sunset. While coming back to North Goa, we also went to these casinos in Panaji, which were looking stunning.